Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 3. Understand how organizations can improve employee effectiveness to respond to business opportunities. How can organizations boost employee effectiveness to seize business opportunities? This video explores the interplay of innovation, culture, and learning in enhancing organizational performance. Discover how these elements can drive success and adaptation in a dynamic business environment. Innovation involves turning new ideas into action. It adds value by improving or creating products and services. Businesses must challenge the status quo and understand customer needs. Ideas can originate from within or outside the company. Successful innovation requires filtering ideas and focusing on the most promising ones. Organizational culture is the way we do things around here. It encompasses beliefs, attitudes, and norms. Different organizations have unique cultures. Culture can evolve over time or change suddenly. Understanding culture is crucial for leaders to guide their organizations effectively. Several factors influence organizational culture. These include size, technology, diversity, and age. History and ownership also play roles. Other subtle influences affect culture too. These include individual initiative and risk tolerance. Shine highlights the link between culture and leadership. He describes 3 levels of culture. Artifacts are visible aspects, while values are strategies and goals. Basic assumptions are unconscious and hard to identify. New employees often struggle with these assumptions. Handy identifies 4 cultural types. Power culture centers on a single authority. Role culture emphasizes job duties. Task culture focuses on achieving tasks. Person culture exists to satisfy individual needs. Hofstede studied cultural differences in business. He identified 5 dimensions. These include individualism and power distance. Uncertainty, avoidance, and masculinity are also key. Long-term orientation completes the dimensions. Organizational learning involves adapting to change. It requires linking actions to outcomes. Learning starts at the individual level. It becomes organizational when shared and stored. This learning helps achieve competitive advantage. Adaptive learning involves self-organization. It focuses on improving existing knowledge. Generative learning involves self-transcendence. It seeks new understanding through creativity. Both types are essential for growth. Performance management measures effectiveness. It uses metrics and key performance indicators. Collaboration and communication are crucial. Teams and groups play a vital role. Motivation drives group performance. Resistance to change is common. Structural issues can hinder change. Lack of preparation and leadership are factors. Cultural issues also play a role. Overcoming resistance requires strategic planning. Strategic change varies in nature and extent. Realignment and transformation are key types. Incremental change involves adaptation. Big bang change requires reconstruction. Context is crucial for successful change. Managing change involves various strategies. Force field analysis can help. Identifying blockers and enablers is crucial. Introducing new aspects aids change. Effective management ensures successful implementation. Different leadership styles influence change. Great man and trait theories are examples. Behaviorist and situational leadership also play roles. Contingency and transactional theories are key. Transformational leadership drives change. Managing change requires various styles. Education and participation are effective. Intervention and coercion can be used. Middle managers play a crucial role. Other stakeholders also influence change. Communicating strategy is vital. It involves sharing ideas with stakeholders. Effective communication ensures strategy execution. People need to understand and embrace change. Strategy must be in the hearts and minds of executors. Communicating strategy means communicating change. People like change when they have influence. Lewin's model and Cotter's steps guide change. Organizations should reward those embracing new strategies. Hertzberg's hygiene factors play a role. Motivation is key in strategy communication. Tangible and intangible rewards matter. Hertzberg's factors affect satisfaction. Away from and towards thinking influence motivation. Securing jobs is a common motivation. Launching a strategy requires planning. Communication is key in this phase. Follow-up ensures commitment. Embedding strategy involves tracking results. Continuous communication supports success. Change strategy involves several steps. Creating awareness and urgency is crucial. Commitment to new values is essential. Eliminating resistance supports success. Institutionalizing new ways ensures lasting change. In conclusion, understanding how organizations can improve employee effectiveness is essential for responding successfully to business opportunities. By investing in training and development, encouraging engagement, and fostering clear communication, organizations can enhance employee skills and motivation. Supportive leadership and flexible working practices also enable employees to adapt to change and contribute effectively. Improving employee effectiveness helps organizations remain competitive, innovative, and responsive in a dynamic business environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.